This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now with local real estate expert Harvey Blankfeld.
Where we want to educate you about our market, empower you to make wise decisions, and help you engage with our expert contributors. John, there's a bunch of things I want to talk about today, but I want to start about the
Lay it on me.
The
Ask what you want.
The counterintuitive nature of age discrimination and lending, and where the lenders cannot discriminate based on age, so you can get a loan no matter how old you are.
Yeah, so our nation, has all these laws about, you're not allowed to discriminate against people, and age is one of those categories. And so, continuing that line of thought, you can't be told no, but we are allowed to give you bonuses. So you get special perks or programs that are entirely focused upon servicing an older clientele.
Okay,
So you're allowed to give positives, just not take away things.
So what kind of perks might that be, John?
Well, the most common one in the mortgage industry out there is the reverse mortgage,
Okay, right.
So that starts out with the foundation of you are 62 years of age or older, and there is a special loan product that exists just to service your needs.
Right.
So, this product came out there and it started out really as a refinance product, allowed consumers to tap into the equity of their home that they might have had from, 30 years of paying it off or however long it took. Let them tap into that money without getting out of their home.
One of the things that I'm always concerned about is that they don't understand the full nature of this. It's not free money.
Right.
It's not like, okay, here's a bunch of money. Thank you for being older.
That is true. I got two things I want to share about that. One is, as thinking people that we are, you see the level of advertising that we see on TV? That's because the rules on these loans are slightly different than traditional mortgages, and that can make them very, very profitable for people. So I want our people out there who might be considering getting one of these programs, shop around a little bit, double check it, because you will see a disparity from one lender to the other because there are not as many rules limiting how much they can make off you in this product, which seems a little counterintuitive because let's protect our elderly consumers, but it just doesn't apply.
Well, yeah, often they're targeted for this type
exactly
of,
right.
For bad
so this loan, basically, you're allowed to take out this mortgage, potentially tap into your cash in a lump sum, tap into it as a monthly payment to yourself, tap into it as a line of credit that you touch only when you need it, right? Without triggering a monthly mortgage payment. So you live in that house as many years as you want, and you don't have to pay back a mortgage payment.
Right.
What you do need to pay is your property taxes, your home insurance. You're still responsible to keep up the house, HOA, all those type of things. You just don't write a check towards the mortgage itself on a monthly basis.
But you can stay in a home as long as you want.
Yep, that has no defined expiration. So if you're the first person to live to 200 years of age, congratulations. You can keep that mortgage 200 years. The key functionality around the loan says, so long as you continue living in the house, you can have that mortgage.
Gotcha.
While it's traditionally done as a refinance, it is eligible in a purchase situation.
Right. We've seen that.
And so there are specific rules, little things you have to kind of do as part of setting up that as a purchase transaction, but it is possible.
Do you have to have 100% equity in order to qualify for one of these?
No, you do not. It's based upon the actuarial tables, which basically says, with your age, with your gender, your expected lifespan is this, and then based upon that, they determine how much of a percentage of the property they're going to let you borrow. So, in general, it might start out with you need to have 50% equity in the house to take out the loan.
Okay.
The older you get, the higher that percentage can become.
This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now with local real estate expert Harvey Blankfeld. Thanks for listening, and remember to tune in every Tuesday at 9 a.m. right here on AM 720 KDWN.